Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the euro yen. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I'm still very bullish. I mean, yes, it has turned down. If it goes down and breaks this low right here, then yeah, I will definitely be happy to start looking for sorts. More longer term. But as of right now, because the trend is up and because our next Fibonacci level is all the way up at about the 180 area. I am definitely still very bullish on sort of time frames and looking at anything I see to the downside as likely nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last impulsive move. If we get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level, well, I don't really care what Fibonacci level, but if we get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I'm definitely going to take it as a long. If it decides to break structure to the downside on the daily, then I will wait for a pullback after the break of structure and I'll start looking for shorts again. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.